Let's talk about artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is defined as the ability of machines and systems to simulate human intelligence by performing cognitive tasks such as learning, reasoning, perception, and decision-making. The term AI was first coined in 1956 at a Dartmouth College conference. AI has branched into multiple task-specific subsets, including machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, and so on. AI has since been a key component of smart manufacturing. Applications of AI in smart manufacturing includes predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain management, collaborative robots, autonomous machines and systems, amongst many others. The integration of AI in manufacturing enables more efficient, more adaptive production systems with the capacity to mimic human intelligence. And that's what artificial intelligence is.